Hi everyone, I'm Serena Mingle. Welcome to my channel, The Adorned Locket. Today, I'm going to show you how to effectively use a bead reamer when it comes to uneven drilled gemstone crystal type beads. For this tutorial, you'll need a little container or a tray that will hold water. You'll need some crystal gemstone beads that you're having trouble with as far as getting cordage run through. And, of course, a bead reamer. Now, the one on the left came with a set of pliers for wire wrapping type. It was an extra tool. The three on the right here are ones that I got in a set at my local Michael's craft store. We'll start out with this bead reamer. Notice how the left side is pointier, and on the right side of this reamer is graduated in size as far as width goes. Now there is a diamond bit coating on this tool that helps essentially sand down the drilled part of the stone you're using. It helps to widen by sanding the gemstone down. Okay, so I have chosen a faceted rondelle type amethyst bead. And again, I'm unable to get my cord through this. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take my reamer one side and then start using it to drill. Going in a motion, clockwise, counterclockwise type motion, and applying a little pressure. Now, where the water, because friction's happening here and sanding of the stone, what's going to happen is you want to keep your stone wet from time to time. This will prevent cracking or breaking, caring for that stone while it's creating heat. You don't want it to break. Just keep going. This is a labor-intensive type. So we have reamed this bead to make the drilled area wider so that we can pass cord through, like such. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it useful on how to use a bead reamer for your gemstone drilled beads. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it useful on how to use a bead reamer for your gemstone drilled beads.